Good morning, everybody. It's 9:25 and 7 seconds on Thursday, May 3rd. This is the drawing for the Secret Wars number 8, graded 9.6. Over here on the left-hand side are the 18 filled spots. I'm just going to go up and down one time. So we're going to roll our 3 dice. The number is 12. Winner is the name at the top of the list, and I'm going to get this out in today's mail for you. Okay, so good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is the final one, 12. Last spot, spot 18, Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 9:26 and 4 seconds.